ay titigulo. Dahil sa amin ng Wadi League mismo na Boss Amay, 2 points kay Boss. 50 to shoot. 10. Bang! 3 points. Good boy. 5. 4-3. Bang! 2 points. Iba nila sa inyo, Wadi. Kulot. 2 points kay Jetic Hulo. Yun lang, tapos gap, 2 points, 5 3 parent.
Dalawang araw ka na tumakas, pinakabuloy ito lang na. Nasa ano ko staycation, ang daming babae.
Ah, ganda po. 2 points, 10 to 11. 1. Bang, 2 points. Boss Amay in the house. In the five.
Nalit yung camera. Hindi sa... Itong ano, nalilit yung camera doon.
The voice. Oh, yun na Chris Perez. The voice by Chris.
Yeah.
Number 31. 2 points by number 31. Chris Perez na mamadali. Pinasa kay Ivan. Pinasa kay Chris Perez. Pinasa kay Boss.
Kapalit sila. Wala silang kapalit.
2 points by Villar. 4 minutes remaining. The boys, 2 points by 2 points.
Mami, wala silang
4
kapalit.
minutes. Boss, 2 minutes. Boss. Iwan. Boss. 2 points by Boss Omar. Hindi. Wow, 2 points by contribution for 3. Wow, 3 points by number 3. I concluded. Boys, 35 seconds. 2 points by 1 point 8. Ayan na, quarter pa all.
Ayan na maglaro. Ay, time lapse mo doon.
Uy, ano, Chloe, yung video.
Naka-video.
Tingnan nakikita ang video daw, pinakita.
Players, binasaan ko lang. 2 points by Kulot.
Ba't mawala ka ng palaki yan? Yan.
Yung 5 to boys by Ivan. 2 boys by Blue Red. 2 boys. Jadi kalau to Briones, 2 points by Briones. Ivan, nagmamadali. 2 points by Ivan. Ivan again, Kevin. Bumawi. 2 points by Sahor again. Jadi Gulot.
Oo kasi.
2 points by Jadi Gulot. Kevin Sahor lagi libre. 2 points by Sahor lagi.
Hi!
Pero thank you.
Sabi mo, talala ilo, talala.
2 points. Kevin.
Hey!
Kevin by Kevin Nagaya.
Hey! Hey!
Kevin. 2 points. Kevin by Briones. 40. 30 seconds. 5. Shoot the boy. Boys, may nagawa. Pasok ka yun.
Ikaw pag gumagawa ng jersey doon?
Steady yung katawan. Yun lang. So boys, by your card, automatic. Kill 5 for 3. Wow! Ayan na, nagpapala. Stop. So boys, may stop. Okay. 17 points. So boys, heavy mo guys. So boys, by your Robbie. Everyone? Nagulangan. So boys. So boys. Last 1 minute. Patay ka doon kay sa Oraji. Puta na. Boys, 30. Boss of Iris. Ready, two points. Briones, number 1. 2 points. Bang! 3 points by Briones. Unang tubig, may tubig po tayo dito. Kulot, takeaway jumper, 2 points. Good. 1-3 down. Stop. Pass to Urbani. Urbani, 3-point attempt. Bang! Bumawi. Fernandez, 2 points is good.
Kagod ko.
2 points is good para kay Kevin. Igila kay Kevin. Wala.
Ilalim na rin.
2 points is good para kay Kevin. Patay. Bang! 3 points. 2 points is good.
Hey! Ayaw.
2 points by Sak. Briones, 3-point attempt. Bang! Another play. 3 points. Bang! 3 points by Kevin. Easy layup is good. Lamang na. Black team. Long three by Briones. Tubay. Binale. 2 points. Briones. Ang green ng League 2 points. Bang! 3 points. By Kevin. Triple again by Kevin. Bang! 3 points. Oras natin 1 minute and 5 seconds. Grabe naman yung fake nun. 2 points. Triple attempt. Bang! 3 points by Briones. Well good. 25 seconds remaining. 27. Another 3. Bang! 3 points. Long 3 by Briones. Bang! Bang! 2 points. Another long week. 2 points by Ivan. Patay. Kyle. 2 points by Kyle. 2 points by Kevin. No good. Rebound by JP. 6. Grabe naman yung footwork na yun.
Say hi.
3 points by Kevin.
Hello guys.
2 points by Erdan.
Small guys.
No good.
Habol pa daw.
Floater. 2 points by strong basket. 2 points by JP. Pass to JP. Uy! Bang! 2 points by Kuya Carl. Again. The point is good by Carl.
Sakto na lang lamang.
2 points. That's it. Alright. Battle of the breath. 3-pointer. Bang! Still win naman 13 minutes. Rebound ni Briones. Briones for 3. Bang! Defense by Briones. Score. Oh. 45-48. The boy. Miss. 2 minutes and 25. Briones. 53-54. Briones again. Grabe. 2 points. Grabe. 2 points. Ito ang malaman. Ayan na. 2 points. 2 points. Gila sa kanya dito sa Olay. 2 points. Gila sa kanya 2 points. Wala. Tukil. Ba't ka na yung high? Miss. Rebalik again 2 points. Supos. Kakamanayan ng motor. Bang! 3 points by Briones.
Uy, yung oras dun.
Bang! 3 points. Uy! Guril na. Paklaw. 2 points. Sa oras for 2. Bang! 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 points. Dia pinasa tinira 2 points. Sampai Sahoragi. Sahoragi. Uy! Tornado daw. Wala lang bantay. Grabe kasi karami. 2 points.
Hindi naman nakasama.
Points. Rival number 1, 2 points. Boss Omay, 2 points. Bang! Still may kulot. Kulot? Tapoy! 2 points by Gio. 2 points by Kuya Carl. Gio to stop. Sahoragi. Bang! 20 seconds. Ah, 10 points.
Ano maglalaro? May bullet?
2 points.
Kasi natin yung nakasara.
2 points. 6 minutes and 13. 2 points. 30. 2 points.
Dad, time.
And shoot. 2 points. Jeffrey Gio. Oh, 2 points. Briones, 2 points. Time, miss. Gio, 2 points.
Time.
Uy, ganda ng pasa. Pa! 2 points by ganda ng oh, good.
Good.
Set to shoot. 2 points. Kaya takot. Kaya si Sahoragi. Sahoragi! Bang! 2 points. 2 minutes and 25. Bang! 2 points. 2 points. Libre na. 2 points. 40-47. Grabe. 2 points. 2 points.